Is your brand new iPhone 15 acting up, frozen, or just plain unresponsive? Don't panic, a simple hard reset might be all you need to get it back on track. I'm going to show you how to quickly and safely perform a hard reset, also known as a force restart, on your iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Pro, and the best part, you won't lose any of your precious data. First, quickly press and release the volume up button on the left side of your iPhone. Immediately after releasing the volume up button, quickly press and release the volume down button, which is right below it. Now, the most important step, press and hold the side button, also known as the power button, on the right side of your iPhone. Keep holding that side button, even when the Apple logo disappears. Don't let go. Continue holding the side button until you see the Apple logo reappear on the screen. This might take a few seconds. Once you see the Apple logo, release the side button. Your iPhone 15 will now restart. After a few moments, you will be back to the lock screen and your iPhone 15 should be working perfectly again. And that's it. You've successfully hard reset your iPhone 15. This simple trick can solve many minor software glitches and get your phone running smoothly again. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.